Feet together, one club in each hand, frontal circle. Tap, tap. Walk forward, hop. Walk forward, hop. Arm circle, step, pitch kick. Circle clubs out. Circle the clubs in and tap. Preparation, half passe turn. Right hop, left hop, face front. Knee bend, arms front, passe balance. Tap, tap, close. Right touch, left touch, chasse. Left touch, right touch, chasse. Arms in and up. Tiptoe turn. Step backwards. Jump together. Toss, toss, jump to kneel, finish.